Hi everybody, welcome to my first lesson 1, Getting Started with Scratch. In this lesson I will talk about Scratch, how to set up the offline version of Scratch, how to set up an online account on the Scratch portal, and finally I will discuss about the offline Scratch compared to the online Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming environment designed for young learners. It has a very fun and easy programming style, using building blocks that you can drag and drop to form a program. You can easily use Scratch to build a game or an animated show. There's no limit to the possibilities. Some Scratch community users have even built complex physics simulations in Scratch. Your Scratch program is created by snapping a few blocks like this. After putting together several blocks, you can bring your characters to life and create an animated presentation for your school project. Of course, Scratch can be easily learned by anybody new to programming, including your grandparents. The Scratch environment is available in both offline and online version. The offline version can be a standalone installation on your computer, and you do not need internet connectivity to work on Scratch. Projects created in the offline Scratch can be uploaded to your online Scratch account and shared with other users. During this lesson, I will use the offline Scratch environment. To get started, we will visit the Scratch download page. Open your web browser and visit www.google.com. Type Scratch download for your search. In my case, the first result is the direct link to Scratch download page for the offline version. When you are at the download page, the first step instruction is to download and install Adobe Air. The second step instruction is to download and install Scratch. I will proceed with step 1. Next, I will proceed with step 2. Great! We have now completed the installation of Scratch offline version. To set up your online Scratch account, type scratch.mit.edu in your web browser, and it will bring you to the Scratch portal. At the Scratch portal, you can start programming in the online version of Scratch, see some Scratch program examples, and also join the user community. Firstly, click on the Join Scratch at the top right. Scratch portal will guide you through several steps to sign up for a new account. The new account will require email activation. After you have set up an account, you can log in to your Scratch account and start exploring the Scratch resources. Do go ahead and set up your account today. The offline Scratch editor which you have installed earlier is a standalone Scratch environment on your desktop. It allows you to create a local Scratch program which you can store on your home computer. When you create an online account on Scratch portal, you can start programming in the online Scratch editor. When you create a Scratch program online, you store the program and resources remotely on your online Scratch account. The Scratch program and resources do not reside on your home computer. Both offline and online Scratch editor looks and behaves very similar. However, due to their different implementation, there can be some differences. If you are using the offline Scratch editor, your program will run faster as your program and resources are on your home computer. You can upload your project to your online Scratch account and share with everybody. You can use the offline Scratch editor when your home computer do not have internet connectivity. This might be useful if you want to demo your Scratch program in school on your laptop and you cannot connect to the internet. If you are using the online Scratch editor, your Scratch program will run slower as the program and resources are stored remotely. The good news is you can share and remix projects. When you remix, you can build up your project on top of others, and that might help you achieve more in a shorter time. For online Scratch editor, you need internet connectivity during your project development. Based on your situation, feel free to choose the appropriate Scratch editor for yourself. For my lessons, I'll be using the offline Scratch editor. That's all I have for my first lesson. Do like my video if you find it useful. I'll prepare more lessons in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching.